Hi, I'm Andy with the San Juan Soil and Water Conservation District in northwest New Mexico. In this backyard conservation workshop, seed harvesting and storage video, we're going to take a look at our native Rocky Mountain bee plant.
So here we have the Rocky Mountain bee plant. This is a native to northwest New Mexico, and it's an excellent pollinator. So I personally like to have Rocky Mountain bee plant growing in or near my garden to attract pollinators. Here you can see all the cucumbers and peppers and tomatillos and stuff growing behind it. And so we've got basically a huge airport for pollinators to announce, hey, come land here, there's flowers here. And once they get here, they get attracted to the flowers of the garden that I'm trying to grow. So for Rocky Mountain bee plant, you have this raceme inflorescence, basically a long strand of flowers that keeps producing flowers as it grows. So originally, there were flowers back here. And as that flower got pollinated, it grew a seed pod. And as the stem kept growing and the flowers kept extending, this here is the raceme, the inflorescence. And as the inflorescence kept growing, which is essentially the flower or the stem of the flowers, then it keeps producing more seed pods. So you'll get seed pods that are sometimes really far back. I found one the other day, like this one. Grew really early on and has already gotten really big. So inside this pod, if we break it open, are all those seeds. Now normally these seeds, when they're ripe and ready, are going to be kind of a black or a brown, like inside this bag. You see there's some that are tan and some that are black. That's what it'll look like when it's ripe, is those nice dark tan or dark brown color. So this isn't ripe yet, these aren't ready yet, but we have a ton of seed pods that we're going to harvest a little bit later. So this is from 2019. You can see I did label it and date it. So this is seeds that I collected in the fall of 2019 and have yet to seed sift or clean or plant or anything. So we're going to go ahead and do that real quick. So just for fun, to show you how these different tiered systems work, you can stack all of them on top of each other. And here we've got our Rocky Mountain bee plant. I've already crushed up all the seed pods to kind of break apart, open up the seeds or release the seeds. So we've got a lot of seed pods, some chaff, and some seeds in there. So we're just going to pour that in top of number one. I bet almost everything is going to go through number one. And look at that. Now we've got number two. And yep, everything went through, except a little bit there. I also wasn't sure when the seeds would start getting stuck and caught, and it looks like 3 has got some seeds. So that looks pretty good. We're going to put this into the metal bowl, and then we'll winnow that to get the rest of the seed pods out of there. 4. And all right. 5, and look, no seeds. So now we know that we can just get rid of the rest of this.
Okay, I think that's good.
Yeah. And we have Rocky Mountain Bee Plant 2019.
Thank you for watching our Backyard Conservation Workshop video on seed harvesting and storage regarding the Rocky Mountain bee plant. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn more, check out our website at sanjuanswcd.com, and we hope to hear from you.